Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp Messenger. So WhatsApp Messenger is an instant messaging application that allows iPhone, BlackBerry, Android, Windows Phone and Nokia smartphone users to exchange text, image, video and audio messages for free. In addition to basic messaging, WhatsApp provides group chat and location sharing options. So yes, to enter in the world of WhatsApp, let's learn how to install it in this video. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to install the WhatsApp Messenger, first of all tap on Play Store on your Android device. After tapping on Play Store, go and type WhatsApp Messenger on the search box. Now tap on the green button of install on the top right corner. Now the process is almost finished and wait for the application to get installed. So the WhatsApp Messenger is already installed. Now you can tap on the open option and open it as per your like. So this is how we can easily install WhatsApp. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.